Good morning, it's Peter here on Doxie, and today we're at Lemon Tree Passage. If you saw yesterday's video, day 6 I think it was a very long leg, 12 hours, and all on the motor because the wind really wasn't there for us. But yeah, we're in the lovely little spot of Lemon Tree Passage now. I've literally just moved the boat because I put it in a place that I wouldn't like to leave it overnight, and I slept on the boat, so it's all good. The boat was safe. It's just like, yeah, it's not somewhere that you should be mooring. Although Marine Rescue were cool with it. They said as long as you're safe, that's all we care about. So very nice. So yeah, today I'm here with my friend Tony, who's been kindly helping me catch the lines and stuff, because I've just moved the boat onto its present spot on the public wharf. This is some footage Tony took of me approaching the wharf and just snugging in front of 2 other boats. Yeah, fitted in quite well. So feel more relaxed now on the public wharf at Lemon Tree Passage. So this is the present home. That's the Albatross Marina. They're full. Looks like there's a lot of stuff going on there at Poyers. It's busy for morning tea, that's for sure. So just yeah, nice little waterfront here. Say good day, Tony.
G'day, Tony.
Yep, that's what I do too. Northerly's just coming through now, little breeze, which is obviously why I'm holding up here, other than to spend time with Tony, of course. The sun's just come out and it's actually really warm, so yeah, happy days. And so far, not too much rain. So we're going to chuff off now. We're going to have a land-based shower maybe, and get some laundry done and spend some time with Tony and just do the do. Anyway, Doxie will be nice and snug here. Well, rain they said. It's sunny and hot. That's just bizarre. So anyway, just been and got some groceries. Didn't need much, it's early in the trip still. Another fuel canister, and Tony's just parking the car. Hopefully he'll bring the other 2. And oh, here he is now. Yeah, some of the locals. Pole dancing pelicans. Well, good evening. It is still Wednesday, and I'm back on Doxie. Yeah, a bit of a short one today. Had some just hangout time with Tony. Got a few chores done, as you saw. Got some fuel, loaded up the water again. So we're all sort of topped up and ready to go. And just, yeah, just had a relaxed day actually. So it's been fantastic. Tomorrow, I've been looking at the weather, and I've decided I'll go for Broughton Island tomorrow. It actually looks like we're going to get northerlies for the next, southerlies for the next few days. So, which I'm sure is different from what it was a couple of days ago. So it's very strange. So yeah, just been doing planning. So from here to Broughton Island, probably going to be about at least, I'd say 6 hours probably. I will have a bit of tide against me going out. I'd rather get going on that rather than wait and then be pushing time in the darkness, because Broughton Island, obviously there's nothing much there, so I really need daylight to get in there, make sure I've got the best anchorage. And from there I hope to go on to Forster, which is a relatively okay passage, that one. Obviously I'll check ahead because Forster's got a bit of a tricky entrance. Tides there are very strong as well, so it needs to be the right timing to get there. So anyway, this is me basically just tidying up all my laundry that I got done today, stowing everything away again, and yeah, getting ready probably for an early night. I'd say it's yeah, it's just good to catch up. So anyway, thank you for following along. Thank you for the great comments, and you know, also some of you have shared your videos with me, which I was really happy to see, which was great. So yeah, yeah, follow along and let's see what the rest of the ride looks like. If I can say my words properly. Anyway, this is Dawn Raider, out. Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.